Open up the box and see what's inside. So first inside is the UV light, which is really key to a great gel manicure. You want it to dry properly, and this is going to do it for you. And also pink. What's better than pink? We girls love our pink. So here's the plug. It comes with the UV light, as you can see inside, okay? So I just opened the packet that comes inside. So far we've talked about the awesome light that'll dry it. So this is an awesome little kit of all little doodads that you're just gonna put on your nails to finish the gel manicure, just like they do at the salon. There's all kinds of different shapes. I can see hearts in here and circles, and it's really cool. And also some stickers that you can put on your nails. These actually look like flames. Comes with a nail clipper, a cuticle trimmer, and also to push back your cuticles. This is the nail brush, so you can get all that dust off after you use this awesome nail file to file your nails in the shape you like. It's really, there's an art tool in here. I mean, there's so many fun things in here. Of course, this is to separate your nails when you're doing it yourself. This kit makes it so easy because everything is given to you. You don't have to think about what you need to do your nails. Use the tweezers to put the rivets on your nails or the stickers. Also included is your base coat, your top coat, and a nail primer. All these are really going to be very important when you're doing gel nails at home. But just think of the possibilities. You can be very creative and use the rivets, or you can use the flames, or you can use none of them and do different colors. You can do 3 nails one color, the 4th and 5th a different color. It's really an all-inclusive great kit, and I want to thank Modelones for sending this to me. Hopefully you pick up this kit, give it a try, and have the cutest gel nails going forward to the next season.